Timmy stood at the very edge of the pond, his tiny claws gripping the mossy bank. Above him, the water shimmered like liquid glass, reflecting the ancient willow branches. He retreated into his shell. He pushed a single flipper forward, touching the surface. The water rippled, cold and vast. Suddenly, Bella the butterfly landed on his shell, her wings pulsing. "All brave turtles start small," she whispered. Timmy looked at the deep blue center, then at his own tiny flippers. Ignoring the tremor in his legs, he crawled forward. He pushed off the mud. His shell hit the surface with a loud splash. He sank for a terrifying second, kicking his back legs frantically against the weight of the pond. Finally, he broke the surface. He paddled with all his might, moving forward 1 inch, then 2. He didn't stop until he reached the green lily pad. He climbed onto the leaf. He looked back at the distant shore. Today, Timmy had finally crossed the world.